Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and it is that time of the month again. Got fresh styrene from Southern California. I got two kits for this month, so we're going to start it off with this morning. I'm going to do the Wood Brothers. It's driven by Kyle Petty, 1987 Ford T-Bird. So let's take a look and see what's inside of this here box. So here we go. The Wood Brothers, driven by Kyle Petty. Oh, I got a nudge from my little fuzzy friend. Says she wants to be part of the video. Not today, my dear. Not today. You with your wet feet, stay down. Always got to get the wet feet on the, wet feet on the pants. So let's see what we got here. We've got the glass. Let's see. I don't think. Yeah, this is original glass. I don't think we had to make the windshield. I think we've got to make a windshield for the earlier version, which we will be doing eventually. But here we got the glass. There is the body shot in white. It looks pretty good. And there are the round and squishy things. And you know what? I don't have a knife on my table here, so let me just tear this apart, since I don't know if I have done an unboxing on the Monogram Thunderbird before. We a few years ago we bought the molds for the 80s and into the 90s Monogram Revell molds, and after the closure of what was it, Hobby Co. So we are the stewards of the old molds. So there we go. There's that chassis. Oh, they got a lot of nice detail on that. So the truck arms. There's the underside. Oh yeah, they put a lot of nice detail on that. There's some of your steering linkage, your shocks, your back roll cage, engine block. Okay, those look good. There's our wheels, engine manifold, headers. Yeah, I think looking at this, because I didn't design these, I am not as well versed on the Monogram stuff as off of the as of course of ours, and especially since I've really never looked at the Thunderbird kits before, because they're kind of new to me, guys. So anyway, I don't know what used to be here. Probably not important, but it was probably for another car. So there's our roll cage sides, roll cage top. Okay. There's the hood, the back side of the wheels. A little bit more modern seat than some of the others, and there's our bumpers and our wings. So there we go. There's those in the kits. Now let's see our tablecloth, and here is the decal placement. So there you go. Plenty on there. Clay has done a beautiful job. Oh, it's also the last page of the instructions, I see. Okay, so that looks like some what's that? Probably on the that's probably your as I'm looking at the car, that would probably be your trunk lid right there. Back bumper, I'm guessing. Yeah, that's back bumper in some of the places around there. So you get a full sheet and a little tiny thing. Okay, there's your, that's probably your spoiler. Yeah, back bumper. I guess that other was probably the section where your tail lights and stuff would be. There's your sides. Beautiful sheet, Mr. Kemp. Beautiful sheet. As I'm looking at my monitor, the numbers look they look more like this orange. They look brighter on my monitor. It may be bright to you, but these are that nice cherry red. So they are accurate in colors, though the monitors may not. So there you go. So there's the decals for Kyle Petty's 21, the Citgo sponsored Wood Brothers car. So there's what's in the Woods Brothers kit, the Kyle Petty kit, and I'm going to show you just a little bit of our slideshow of some of the stuff we have coming out. We're going to have up for pre-order the Joey Logano Championship car. This Bertha will probably be February, March. That should be up on the website very soon. If it's not, I'm going to be showing the Chase Elliott. Got to get it out of the glare. The Chase Elliott black gold kit. You can see some of the others for the December is going to be the Kyle Larson and the Brad Keselowski, and we're also pre-ordering the Joseph Newgarden IndyCar. So we got all sorts of stuff going up. We are going to have I believe starting the Monday of Thanksgiving week, we're going to have a Black Friday sale. I have no idea what Marco's going to do to stuff and how much he's going to be taking out of my pocket. So check out our website. You can go there by the, I don't have it in this image. Let me go back to this other image here. And if you want to, you can go right there to use the QR code, take you to our website, web store. Take a look and see. Next week we're going to have the sale items, so see what's on there. You can also check out our store of tools and paints and things like that. I don't know if there's going to be a discount on those because of the week. I would kind of doubt it. I'm sure, but I know that we're going to be discounting some of our kits. So go take a look, see what's on there, see if you're interested. Also, if you aren't a member, we have a Builders Club, a Kit of the Month Club. Let me go back to this. Kit of the Month Club. For November, the monthly kit was that Wood Brothers cars. The guys in the club get that. For December, the Kit of the Month will be that Kyle Larson. And it's great. You can sign up on the website to join the club. You get a kit, whatever our designated kit is every month. I believe there's free shipping on there, and it's a discounted cost also. So those ship automatically. Then you can add on other cars, other kits, and get a discount on those and free shipping on additional kits. If you decide you need to order a pallet of our kits, you can get a pallet of the kits with the shipping cost of one kit. How's that? It's a pretty good deal. We have a Tuesday evening special Facebook show just for members of the club. So and you get free stickers with your and free decals with your kit of the month. So it's a pretty cool deal. And you're always up to date with what we're doing. So anyway, Rick, Chris, Marco, myself, we thank you for buying Salvinos J R Models kits and following us, and check us out on Facebook, Salvinos J R Models on Facebook, and join us Saturday mornings for our weekly show, so you can be up to date and get a little bench racing and styrene sniffing on a Saturday morning with your coffee. So thanks again, and check our stuff out. Where's my buttons?